and welcome to the Dolphin video tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to be taking a look at the Quick Access Toolbar, a feature of Microsoft Word, and also a really handy feature within Dolphin SuperNova that lets you get to this Quick Access Toolbar and use all of its features really easily. The Quick Access Toolbar can be found in the top left-hand corner of your Microsoft Word window, and it contains a number of tools that you might use most often. By default, Save, Repeat and Customize Toolbar. So let's have a look at how we can add things to the Quick Access Toolbar and then use them. I've got a few lines of text here and there's some things I'd like to do with them. Firstly, I'd like to make this first sentence bold and I'd like to center it. And then in this third sentence, I'd like to check the spelling, because as we can see, we've got a spelling error in the middle. So normally I could either remember all my hotkeys, or I could go up to the ribbon at the top of the screen, or what I'm going to do this time is use the Quick Access Toolbar to save me having to do those things. So first of all, I'm going to add the bold tool to my Quick Access Toolbar. So to do this, I press Alt to take the focus up to the ribbon. Now I'm using the focus highlighting here, so that's why we've got that big red square around it. It's just nice and easy to see. And I'm going to move through until I get to the bold tool. Now my focus is on bold, I can press Shift and F10. And this brings up a new little menu. And at the top I have Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Simply press Enter on that. And it's now been added to my Quick Access Toolbar. So I'm going to just go through and do the other ones. I wanted Center Aligned and the Spell Checker. So once again, press Alt to get up to the ribbon. And now I can go down to Center Aligned. Once again, Shift and F10. And Add to Quick Access Toolbar. This last one's a little bit different because I've got to go to the Review tab. So, Alt again, up to Home, over to Review, and Spelling and Grammar, and Shift F10 once again, and then Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Right, so all of those tools are up in my Quick Access Toolbar, so now I've got to access them. And there's a really handy little feature within Dolphin SuperNova, and that is Caps Lock and Q. And this is a little version of the item finder which you may well have used on the internet or indeed in other places such as Microsoft Word. And this just brings up a list of what is in the Quick Access Toolbar. There I've got Save, Repeat, and my new ones, Bold, Center, and Spelling and Grammar. And so now I'm going to put these to use. So I'm going to back into my document and I'm going to highlight this first line. So I'm going to use Shift and End, and that should highlight the whole line. And now I wanted to make this bold and center aligned. So I'm going to do Caps Lock and Q to open up my Quick Access Toolbar Finder. I'm going to go down to bold and press Enter. And there we go, my text is now bold. I also wanted to make it center aligned. So once again, Caps Lock and Q, down to center and press Enter. And there we have it, my text is now bold and also centered. So there's one last thing I was going to do. Down here I've got a bit of a spelling mistake. I've misspelt compatible. And so now I could press the F7 key to start the spell checker. But if I couldn't remember that key, I could go into my Quick Access Toolbar again. So once again, Caps Lock and Q. And right down here I've got the spelling and grammar. So select that and press Enter again. And up pops the spelling and grammar checker. And there we have it, compatible up at the top, and underneath I've got the correct spelling. So I'm just going to choose change in there, and my document's complete. So that's a brief overview on the Quick Access Toolbar within Microsoft Word and the really handy feature Caps Lock and Q within Dolphin SuperNova that you can use to access those features. Thank you.